Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Hey, guess what? Today's a big show today. Guess what? I have my grandkids on the show. Yes, and here's one of them right here. This is Ethan.
Hello.
There he is. This is Ethan Giambavo. And then James is going to be joining us in just a little bit. And today, what are we going to do today?
We are going to make pizza.
Pizza! Have you ever made pizza at home before?
No, only frozen though.
Only frozen. Well, I've done the same thing. Well, guess what? We're making this pizza right from scratch. I made the dough earlier, and in an upcoming show, we're going to go ahead and show you how we did the dough, but not on this show. Today, we're going to be doing some special things on the show, and we wanted to do them for Ethan. And before I get into showing you what he would like on his personal pizza, we call it, I want to ask him a couple questions. Wait a minute. I'm guessing you're 15 years old. Is that right?
No.
No? How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
You're 8 years old. When are you going to be 9?
April 25th.
Oh, that's good. April. So you'll be a big 9 years old. That's good. And what grade you in?
Third grade.
Third grade. And you have a favorite subject?
Reading.
Reading. Yeah, that's good. We all need to know how to read, right? Mm-hmm. That's really good. And I understand are you taking karate, or are you taking what? Jitsu? What?
Jiu-jitsu.
Jiu-jitsu. Wow, Aunt Natalie does something like that, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's doing good too. I love that. Well, we're happy that you could be here on the show. This is really great. And maybe some of your friends are going to see you and going to show them, what you're doing about cooking. By the way, you look fantastic in that outfit.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to go around the horn here. I call it going around the horn. And we're going to talk about all the stuff that we're going to use on both pizzas. But right now, let's go ahead around the horn and do this. So we have some Italian seasoning right here. And then this is a little extra flour that we're going to use. And then we have some tomatoes, some chopped tomatoes, and these are pomodoros. And then we have some burrata. This is a different kind of a mozzarella cheese. It has some cream infused in it. And then we have some mozzarella cheese, some mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Yeah, and then we have some different kinds of Parmesan, and this one is a pecorino and a romano. And then over here we have some mushrooms. In Italian, it's called a funghi. Yeah, and then we have some pepperoni, and then we have the nice pizza sauce right here, our marinara. And then, of course, right here you saw that we had the dough. There it is right there, and it's already down, and I put some flour right down here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to push out this pizza, and we're making this from scratch, right?
Yeah.
All right, so why don't you come on in as we do this, okay? Come on in. It's okay. So let's go here, and we'll just go like this. I'll start to do this first, okay? And we'll try to get it a nice size pizza here for you, okay? So you see how we do that? Look at that, okay? Okay, there we go. Look at that. Oh,
Very
my
circular.
gosh. Not bad, huh? Mm-hmm. Not bad, okay?
Bad.
That's a nice size pizza right there. What do you think? That's about a 10-inch pizza or what? Huh?
Almost.
Maybe, almost, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get what they call, it's called a peel. And what it does is it goes underneath the pizza. And the reason they call it a peel is because you peel it up. You know what I mean? Like you peel off a label or a stamp.
Or
okay?
a banana.
Or a banana. You peel a banana. That's right. So you stay here, and I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Big smile while I'm gone, okay? All right. I'm back. See? This is what you call a peel. See this board? Mm-hmm. Yeah. My dad, your great-grandfather, he used to spank me with this thing. You know what I mean? All right, so what we're going to... I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to go ahead and put it on the peel, okay, just like so. Let me get it up here just like this. There we go. There we go. Now, okay. Oh, this looks good, okay. Okay, I don't want to do all the work here because I think you need to do something too, pal. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right, so let me ask you something. What goes on next?
The tomato sauce.
The tomato sauce. That's right. Are you ready to go? Mm-hmm. I'll start it, and then you come in to it, okay? Okay, so we go like this, and this is a nice tomato sauce. What we like to do is we like to get it and just go like this, and then we get another one, just put it like this, and then we start just spinning around. You want to do some of this?
Yeah.
Come on. Go ahead. Okay, get it. Don't make it go over the edge, but just keep going around. That's it. There you go.
Nice pizza.
That's right. There you go. You're doing it good. Very good. Yeah, nice. Now, Ethan, I know that you like pepperoni and you like mushrooms. Is that correct?
Yep.
That's right. So, I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's go ahead and let's get the pepperoni, okay? There you go. Start to place the pepperoni wherever you want it, okay? There you go. All over the place. He's doing such a great job. Look at that. Remember, we're going to be using mushrooms on here too, so we got to save some room for the mushrooms. Now that we got the pepperoni on, you did a great job, by the way. Give me a high five. There you go. I got the mushrooms that I'm going to use right here, but I think we need some help with the mushrooms. You know what I mean? I think I'm going to, this is so much work. I think your brother James should have something to do here, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's bring him in. Is James here? There he is. Let's bring in this. Uh-oh, look at this guy. Look at this outfit. Come on up here, buddy. Give me 5. Bang. Oh, jeez. All right. Look at these two. Look at it. These are my grandkids. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Is James. This is Ethan. What grade are you in? Kindergarten. That's right. And how old are you going to be? You're going to be 27? No? How old are you going to be?
6.
You're going to be 6? Oh, my God. Time goes by so fast. Okay, so are you ready to help us out here? Ready? Okay, so here's the mushrooms right here. So here's what I'm going to do. I want you to start to push the mushrooms on the pizza, okay? And you can kind of crunch them up, too, like this. You can crunch them and put them down. Go ahead. There you go. Just go ahead. All over the place. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Okay, Ethan, you jump in there, too. You grab some, too.
This one looks like a real mushroom.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah, I know. Keep going. You got room for more. There you go. Keep going. We got it. Yeah, Mamma mia! What did you say?
Mamma mia!
Hey, Maron. Can you say Vito's Italian Cucina?
Vito's Italian Cucina.
Hey, Maron. I love it. Mushrooms. Now, guess what? It's time for.
The beautiful cheese.
And what kind of cheese is that? Do you remember?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. You gotta go like this when you say mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Hey, mozzarella. Okay, so I'm going to start to put it down, and then I want you to come help me, okay? So I'm going to go just like this, okay? Now, you guys go. Go ahead, help yourself. It's okay. Put it down there. All over the place. Hey, Maron. Hey, that's how they do it in Sicily. That's right. You got to put it down there. People like a cheese all over the place. There you go. Oh, you're doing great. Actually, now, let's stop there just for a second, because here's what I'm going to do. So what we'll do is I'm coming over and I got these tomatoes. These tomatoes are called pomodoro in Italian. Can you say pomodoro?
Pomodoro.
Go like this. Pomodoro.
Pomodoro.
Hey, I like it. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to take a couple pieces of the pomodoro and put them down like this. It really kind of helps it out, okay? Go ahead. Come on in and grab some. Put them down. They're a little wet, but it's okay. There you go. Go ahead. Put them all over. Go ahead, James. Jump in there and grab it. It's okay. Oh, look at that. There you see, he places it really nicely. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and spread a little bit more cheese. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go just like so, okay? We're going to really let it have it. Look at that pizza, you guys. Look at that. Huh? Don't disappear on me.
No.
Okay, you went backstage for a second. Okay, so here we go. So now I'm going to get some Italian seasoning, okay? So we're going to go ahead and take a little bit of Italian seasoning. We're going to drizzle just like this. See, you don't want to put too much of that because it's really strong. Well, as you can see, folks, look at this pizza. Look at that. Can you see that? Look how wonderful that looks. Look at that. There, I'll put it next to these guys. These are the guys that made it. Look at that. Look at that. It smells good, don't it? Hey! Okay. Mamma mia. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to meet over at the oven, and we're going to put it in, okay?
This is our beautiful pizza.
That's right. I'm going to go ahead and put it in now, okay? So watch yourself. I'm going to open the oven, okay? There you go.
That's going to cook really nice.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Oh, boy. This looks good. Does that look good?
Yay.
Hey, salud. Hey, like this. Hey, Maron. Hey.
Maron.
Look at the camera and say it. Hey, Maron.
Hey, Maron.
Okay, give me 5 on that last pizza. Come on. And give me a high five. Nice job. Okay, now it's time to do the next pizza. Now, what's this pizza going to be?
Full cheese pizza.
4 cheese pizza. That's right. A quattro formaggi. Right? Mm-hmm. And we're doing this pizza because I know that James loves cheese. And that's why we're doing this too. Okay? Start to make it like this. There you go. Use both fingers like this. There you go. Okay. Come on in, James. Go ahead. There you go. Go ahead. It's okay. Put pressure.
It's so soft.
Isn't it nice and soft? It's like my skin. Okay.
It's gonna be nice and crunchy once we
I
bake
know.
it.
I know. Okay. All right. That looks good. Okay. Now it's time for a little bit of the sauce. Okay. So I'll start it. Okay. Put this in the center just like so. Okay. And I know that last time Ethan did some of the stirring. So this time you do it. Now hold on tight and just go around a little bit. There's. Take it easy. There you go. Push it around. Good. Oh, good.
You gotta make sure you get the edges.
That's right. No handles. There you go, buddy. Oh, nice. Nice move. That's a good move. All right. Very good. All right. So what we're going to do is we'll put a little bit of Parmesan. So get the Parmesan. Come on.
Can I eat some?
Come on. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Put it on. Go ahead.
Yeah.
This is a Pecorino, and it's a Romano. That's right. Put it all over.
Parmesan.
And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and get some of this. This is called a burrata. Okay, it's a mozzarella cheese, just like this one. Only this one has milk and cream put inside. That's why they call it a burrata. Okay, just take little pieces, let it drip, and just put it down, just like that.
So 4 cheese pizza.
That's right. Got that right there.
Beautiful.
I think we've done it. Very good. Now it's time. Can you help with this, James? Put the mozzarella down. Okay, go ahead. This is the 4th cheese. Okay? Okay. You can get more than that. Go ahead. You're doing good. There you go. These guys have done this before.
Definitely.
I know. There you go.
So we're pros at
You are pros. Did you know that Grandpa used to own a pizza parlor a long time ago? I had 2 of them in St. Louis, Missouri. Okay, now we're going to go
pretty cool.
And then we're going to come back with the Parmesan. This is actually it's a different kind. It's a kind of Parmesan, okay, but it's a Pecorino and a Romano. And I'm going to put this on top of that just a little bit, just like so.
It's
okay?
2 cheeses mixed into
That's
one.
right. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some of the Italian seasoning. Go ahead. Go ahead, James. Not this one here, babe. There you go. Spread it all around. Oh, there you go. All right. Okay, look at that, folks. This is the second pizza. This is the second one. This is the quattro formaggi, the 4 cheese pizza, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
High five. Boom. Bang. Okay. Don't go nowhere. Okay. The quattro formaggi pizza is in the oven. We're letting that cook. But look at here. Now we got the mushroom. And what else is on there?
We got the mushroom, pepperoni, and the mozzarella.
That's right. Very good. And this is the first one we did, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll get a cut like that. You want to try to cut like this? You want to go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. All right. It's going to have to push really hard. There you go. There you go. All the way across. Oh, good. That's good. Looks like tic-tac-toe. I love it.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course you can.
Tic-tac-toe, 4
Okay,
in a row.
let your brother try it too. Okay. All right, go ahead, James. Right here. Right here. There you go. There
Nice
you go.
slices. Straight through the pizza.
There you go. All right. There you go. Good cut. There it is.
Here's our beautiful pizza.
That's right.
Mamma mia.
Now, Mamma Mia. Don't go nowhere. Okay, you want to take it? Want to try it?
I don't like
Oh, you know. Okay, we're gonna wait for the quattro formaggi. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You go first. Ooh, yeah.
That was really good. I taste all the beautiful flavors we added.
All the flavors, right? And the other pizza's cooking right now. I can't wait to try that one.
All
Right?
the different parmesans.
That's right. All right, guys. The quattro formaggi pizza's ready. Ready? Should I get it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay. Here we go. Oh, this looks great. Oh my goodness.
This is the pizza my brother made.
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks good.
Very delicious.
Look at that.
I can't wait to taste it.
Look at that, guys.
That looks really good.
That look great?
Don't get too close.
All right, let me put it down here.
Put it down.
All right, guys, don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. We'll see you back over here. Well, there it is. There's the quattro formaggi. You know, James's favorite. Oh boy, does that smell great or what?
That's not
Look at the shape of that dang gum thing. Well, you know what happened was, I got to tell you that I forgot to put it on the peel first before I put the toppings on. So don't forget to do that like I did. Actually, I did that on purpose because I wanted you to see what happens when you don't do that. You buy that one?
Yeah.
Right. Anyway, so, but as you can see, it still is going to be delicious. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one, okay? Because it's kind of hot. And then we're going to say so long to our friends. I want to thank you guys for coming to Vito's Italian Cucina. These are my grandsons, James and Ethan, right?
Yeah.
Right on. Okay, let me go ahead and cut it. Okay, we'll go like that. Like that. Ooh. Like
That's
that
a
crunch.
good crunch.
We like that crunch, huh? Okay, as you can see, we're going to be busy here. So, what are you going to say, guys? What are you going to say? Join us at Vito's Italian Cucina. Maron. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Big hugs, big hugs, big hugs. That's right. Keep your face towards camera. That's right. Ciao for now.
Mamma mia!
Hey, Maron.
Mozzarella!
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella!
Hey, mozzarella.
Pomodoro!
Hey, I like it.
That was really fun!
Was it?